The Edifier TWS5. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at the new Edifier TWS5. I will go over specs, features, provide microphone sample, and give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. The TWS5 comes with your standard user guide, micro USB cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips, which one pair has been pre-installed. The earbuds feature 8 hours of listening time, 32 hours with the case. It takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, aptX, CVC noise reduction for clearer calls, touch controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. The case has a slim profile and comes with a 500 mAh battery. Unlike the TWS1 in my previous review, this one is not glossy. It has a matte finish, so fingerprints or scratches will not be apparent. On the front of the case is the charge status LED. And on the back, you'll find the micro USB charge port. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and it has a nice tight feel. It uses magnets along with the earbuds that are held into place by magnets as well. They are easy to remove from the case, and you can see the ear indicators inside. The earbuds have a larger profile compared to the TWS ones, and have more of an ergonomic shape to it. It has a glossy finish all around, with the touch controls having a matte finish. The ear indicators are marked inside. Each of the earbuds feature touch control, LED, microphone, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. And here they are side by side. And this is how they look compared to the TWS ones. Playback and call controls are straightforward, and it's just a matter of single, double tap, or hold to access the desired function. There are no volume controls, so you'll have to access it via your device. The case comes in at roughly 2.5 by 1.2 by 1.7 inches. It weighs in at roughly 45 grams, and the earbuds come in at 12 grams. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Edifier TWS5 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. You can also use the earbuds individually if you prefer, and pairing is quick and easy. I had no issues. Testing video on an iOS device, I didn't experience any latency or disconnects. Results may vary depending on your device and apps that are used. Range was strong indoors when I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. So here are my thoughts on the Edifier TWS5 earbuds. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The ergonomic shape made them very comfortable, and it had a very snug fit. It's easy to put on, and it just fits well for me. The touch controls are always a plus, and it avoids the extra pressure when navigating. I had no issues with them staying into place while running. Build and quality is solid on this. I really like the matte finish as opposed to a glossy finish on the case. It had a simple and clean design. The earbuds are also larger compared to the TWS1, and the matte finish on the button is very responsive. The microphone reduced a fair amount of noise during calls. Now let's talk about sound. I was very impressed with the sounds it produced. It has deep bass and very prominent. It was heavy but not overwhelming bass. Mids and highs were also on point. They came in very clean and clear. Vocals really stand out along with instruments. I would describe it as boosted across the board, but very balanced. It never got distorted. Listening was enjoyable across the board as I tested with various music genres. This will definitely be good for those that are seeking the deep bass sounds. Overall, I feel that Edifier has done well with the TWS5. These are definitely some of the best pairs that I have tested so far, and they can be used for casual listening or workouts. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.